Kia ora Year 12 PE whānau. So what we're going to be doing today is looking at the process of visualization and how crucial this element of sports psychology is. The koronga ako for this is to understand what visualization is, how it can be applied by athletes, and how we can apply it to our training for tennis and your own endeavors. So what visualization itself actually is the process of creating a mental image or intention of what you want to happen or feel in reality. Basically, using your imagination to put yourself in a situation where you intend an outcome, whether it be of a competition, of a skill or movement itself, completed to perfection, or it could even be to put yourself in a relaxed state. What I'd like you to do now, please, is watch the Psychology of a Winner video with Michael Phelps. Pause the video, then we'll discuss it further. So as discussed by Michael Phelps and his coach, he uses visualization as an important tool to put himself in every single race that he's ever been in or will be in, and in every single scenario. What this does is mentally prepares him for any scenario that can occur, and he has every response created ready to go. Now this means that he can approach each race relaxed, knowing that he's done this before and having that experience and confidence. This, in combination with his training, is a major reason why his coach states that he's never choked in a race, as he hasn't succumbed to the pressure, as he has put himself in that scenario in the Olympic final multiple times and it's become the norm. I'd like you now to pause the video to watch Jimmy Pedro talk about visualization and the mental state. So after watching Jimmy Pedro discuss visualization and mental preparation and determination, the 2 times bronze medalist, Olympic winner and gold world champ judo competitor, he uses visualization to prepare mentally for a situation to occur and to complete a goal that they've set. So he ties in goal setting with visualization in order to build up self-belief and ensure that he and his athletes that he now trains are mentally prepared for the expectation and pressure that a final of a world championship or Olympic Games will present to him or his athletes. So other positives and ways to use visualization are used to practice skills mentally. So even when you're too tired or you're fatigued from training, you can still reinforce movements or skills, even techniques that you've had or been working on at training at home. Visualizing yourself completing them to perfection, ensuring you're learning those movement and motor patterns correctly. As discussed before, visualization can also reduce stress levels, whether it be from the examples we've used before from our pro athletes of preparing yourself mentally, visualizing yourself in a final, and it can even enhance focus too by putting yourself in those situations or finals. So that's going to enhance your motivation levels by visualizing yourself at the Olympics. For myself, when I was still competitive in rowing, it would be putting myself in a race next to my competitors and visualizing them training next to me and me having to get up there and beat them. Again, this helps enhance your motivation at long, strenuous training sessions by putting yourself in those situations, visualizing yourself achieving a goal, racing to win, beating another team whilst you're playing them in netball, visualizing yourself getting that perfect shot, the game-winning shot during your many hours of practice, i.e. for netball, if you're a goal shoot, you have to shoot multiple times every single day to ensure that your targets are on point. Putting yourself in that stadium with the crowds cheering for you under that pressure helps you prepare for that moment that you may have in a game situation or a final. So to finish off, visualization is a really effective tool for us to use to practice our skills whilst we're not at training, reduce stress levels and enhance focus, whether it's before a game, during training, enhance our motivation during training by visualizing ourselves achieving a long or short-term goal. Again, that ties in with our goal setting, as well as mental preparation. Okay, so ensuring you're prepared, ready for any scenario like Michael Phelps is that may occur. Thank you for your time today, guys and girls. I hope this helps, and I hope you put it in practice for your practical session coming up. Ka kite anō.